Okay, so Anil sir, can you switch on your camera for once? Anil sir, you there? Yes. So hello and welcome everyone. The future of events and entertainment. I warmly welcome all of you here. Today I'll be representing you all as a student of NIM to one of the experts of the industry who has spent more than 25 years in the events and entertainment industry. We'll be talking about jobs and career guidance from him. Let's go ahead and I welcome Mr. Anil Garg, who is also a founder of Dynamo Entertainment, and he's been in the industry for more than 25 years with so many people working with him, with so many people who call him the guru of entertainment. So welcome, Anil sir. Welcome. Anil sir will have to unmute yourself. Can you hear me, Anil sir? You will have to unmute yourself. You are on mute. I think he cannot hear us right now. Just give us a moment, people, and we'll be back. Shahan, I would require a little help from you.
Yeah, he's unmuted.
Yeah, now
Would you please?
you can hear me now?
Yeah. Can you hear us? Yes, we can, sir. Welcome on board.
Yes, I can hear you. Thank you, Shahan. Thank you, Akash. Yeah. Perfect. Let's go ahead,
So NIM, yeah. So NIM has organized this wonderful session wherein we have called you to give a little career guidance to all the students of NIM Mumbai. And now we go ahead with the session. And my first question to you would be, सर हम सबको पता है कि इवेंट्स और एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री का बिकॉज ऑफ पैंडेमिक क्या हुआ है और कैसे चल रहा है. सो हम ये जानते हैं कि इस इंडस्ट्री को अच्छा खासा घात हुआ है, लेट्स से. So, what do you suggest कि the aspiring candidates or aspiring students should still opt for jobs in entertainment or jobs in events?
Yeah, Akash, see, first of all, you just cannot switch on, as of now. Pandemic hai to bhi. I'm audible?
Yes, you are, clearly, sir.
Okay. So, unfortunate hai, people who have joined this year and, looking forward, they were looking forward, in fact, to join certain, organizations. So that's good, but I don't think there is anything to fear. Sab theek hi hoga. Entertainment is a must, and everybody will require. So events bhi shuru honge, but it will take time. It will take some time. Yeah.
So, as per you, is this the right time to join the live events industry, and become a part of it? Is it a good time to start?
No, to start, when you say, you are talking about joining the course or you're wanting to take up a job, what are you talking about? So I'm not getting your point.
To take up a job, sir. I am, let's say, I am representing all the students here.
Yes. There's no issue.
So, Okay. So before we go ahead, I request some of you people who are on the call to switch on your cameras, because if we can see you, we'll be able to understand what your reactions are, and it'll be beautiful to know that how you guys react. Hello. Thank you for joining. So, sir, the second question would be, what is the future of live events after pandemic according to you? What is the future now? Because अभी पैंडेमिक ने बहुत सारी चीजें चेंज कर दी हैं, बहुत सारे फॉर्मूलाज चेंज हो गए हैं लाइव इवेंट इंडस्ट्री में. तो आपको क्या लगता है अभी इसका इफेक्ट क्या होगा, और इसके इफेक्ट की वजह से जो जॉब सीकर्स हैं, जितने भी हमारे साथ अभी स्टूडेंट्स हैं, ये आगे जाके एंटरटेनमेंट का फ्यूचर बनने वाले, इवेंट्स का फ्यूचर बनने वाले हैं, तो ये इफेक्ट उनको कैसे टैकल करना चाहिए, और अभी उनका क्या टेक होना चाहिए इसके ऊपर?
नहीं, कोई इश्यू नहीं है. जैसे मैंने कहा कि you should continue जहाँ जहाँ opportunities मिल रही है, join everybody and you can start your career and it is all going to be good. Of course, tough time has gone. In fact, जो 3-4 महीने थे अभी तो थोड़ा सभी जगह open हो रहा है. And especially Mumbai is a little difficult right now, but in the other cities काफी चीजें open हो चुकी है. So I hope things are looking okay. They should be okay. Let's keep positive. Let's be positive.
So, sir, what are as an event management student, I would like to know what are the areas where as event management student can be fit for a live event industry? Like, as in, are there any certain profiles that we need to understand? What is it? कैसे हम समझेंगे कि हाँ हमें कहाँ जाना चाहिए, कैसे जाना चाहिए, या कैसे लाइव इवेंट इंडस्ट्री को कैसे टैप करना चाहिए?
So see, I'm sure they're all NIM students और एक साल उनका खत्म हो गया है. They have been, going to the live events. They have seen the events. They have tasted the event. And जब join किया था, तो I'm sure they have, understood what is it all about. Now the point is that after doing the course, what to do. See, course is over. Like we do a BCom or a BSc. But then what path to choose out of the available careers options, as you asked me, कि क्या options क्या है? So obviously broader terms में सभी को पता है, since they're all now kind of a diploma holders, कि production होता है, marketing होता है, sales होता है, admin होता है, finance होता है, all these departments are there. Now it is up to them how do they take it ahead and what is their personal choice and what is their personal genre कि उनको कहाँ पे ज़्यादा success मिलेगी. It all depends on their own individual taste and how they take it ahead. So there are many options. That is what I will say.
So from these options, how a student will choose? How that the question how remains the same. How will I know that कहाँ जाना है, कैसे जाना है? और ये जो अपन बात कर रहे हैं अभी कि चलिए आपने कहा मार्केटिंग एंड सेल्स. सर हमने ये शब्द तो सुने हैं, कभी प्रैक्टिकली काम नहीं किया है अगर उसके लिए, तो हाउ डू आई चूज दैट कि वेदर आई एम मेड फॉर सेल्स, वेदर आई एम मेड फॉर बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट और क्लाइंट सर्विसिंग और एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन और ऑफिस वर्क? हाउ डू आई चूज दैट?
It's a good question. Sadly, I have been taking interviews of NIM students for last 15-20 years for my organization. So when they come and I ask them कि what you want to do, so institute में obviously as a coaching institute they train you in every department or they give education of every kind of role which you can play. Mostly ज़्यादा practical होता है when they are in institute. They go on attend events and so mostly they are all hooked on production mainly. Now how to go and where to go, of course personal choice है. One-to-one interview, one-to-one aptitude test. People think that I want to do this, but are they suitable for that? What is the crux? How should they choose that career? One-to-one session is very important to understand. काफी चीजों पे dependent करता है. It's like as good as you decide that you want to play cricket, और उसके बाद एक word आता है coach. Career decide कर लिया cricket. बट कोच बताएगा बॉलर बनना है, विकेट कीपर बनना है, बैट्समैन बनना चाहिए, व्हाट इज योर टैलेंट, एंड आउट ऑफ दैट आल्सो बॉलर में भी फास्ट बॉलर बनना है या स्लो या स्पिनर, दैट इज द कोच जो गाइड करेगा आपको आफ्टर सर्टेन डेज ऑफ ट्रेनिंग. सो दैट इज हाउ इट विल बी. सो काउंसलिंग एंड कोचिंग आई थिंक शुड बी द नेक्स्ट स्टेप.
सो सर ये सारी चीज ओके. And do they already have an upper edge when they are already studying with NIM and one of the biggest institutes of event management in the country? So are they having an upper edge when it comes to live events, और कोई और भी कर सकता है, या NIM में होने का कोई फायदा है, या NIM की वजह से उनको कोई एक पुश मिल रहा है, एक अलग मतलब उनको अलग नजरिए से देखा जाता है इंडस्ट्री में, ऐसा कुछ है?
नहीं, see, NIM की वजह से अलग नजरिए से देखा ही जाता है. I started my event management company in 1994 when NIM was not there. So earlier we used to take volunteers from all walks of life. When we used to have events. Trained into event management, terminology समझ में आ रही है. So definitely NIM students have an upper edge from the scenario of the current existing lot. Definitely, उसमें कोई doubt नहीं है. And they get the best of the training. NIM gives them best of the training in event management. I'm sure they all know this. Now the question is placement या आगे का जो future है, that of course, as I told you, कि still more if they take a counseling or a coaching, that will greatly help them.
But since you are an expert of the industry, like what is the demand of, let's say, jobs की का analytics क्या है अभी, कितनी requirement है market में? There are so many NIM students who are looking for jobs around. So is there capacity enough in the market to absorb all of them, or we have a challenge because of pandemic? How is the situation is going to be?
Pandemic is of course is going to affect every industry. So job recruitment जो है वो obviously थोड़ा dicey रहेगा इस वक्त. But one thing is there, that people will give more chance to fresher than interns, is what I guess, because there will be a lot of requirement for office working, Now office working is not very highly taken by the students generally, thinking that they have joined even to go on the ground. सभी को ऑन ग्राउंड जाना है, सभी को प्रोडक्शन या जो भी है ऑन ग्राउंड का टेस्ट देना है. बट वन मस्ट रिमेंबर दैट इवेंट होने के लिए बैक ऑफिस वर्किंग इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, दैट इज प्री प्लानिंग और रिसर्च और व्हाटएवर. सो बैक ऑफिस वर्किंग का एक जो थॉट है इज वेरी वेरी क्रिटिकल, एंड देयर शुड बी नो इश्यूज. बैक ऑफिस के अंदर जॉब्स मिलेंगे, अभी भी मिलेंगे. देयर विल बी लॉट ऑफ शफलिंग. कुछ सीनियर्स लोग होंगे, they might lose their job because of their salary structure. Employers would like to take on maybe new faces, new fresh faces due to circumstances. So it's a mix and match bag right now. Pandemic से कोई panicky situation नहीं है. It will open up definitely.
So what you are saying is it's a blessing in disguise for the freshers and for the newcomers of the industry कि अभी इतना कुछ changes होने वाले हैं कि आपके पास job opportunities होने ही वाली. So everyone who's listening to us, please realize this कि हमारे पास अब बहुत jobs create होने वाले हैं और आप सबके लिए बहुत सारे मौके हैं. Moving on, sir, अगर मैं एक event management student हूँ, तो आप जब कहते हैं कि चलिए मैं प्रोडक्शन में ज्यादा इंटरेस्टेड हूँ या मेरे को फील्ड जॉब में ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट है, तो क्या मुझे वो पर्सनैलिटी जो मेरे अंदर है उसको कुछ चेंज करने की जरूरत है? क्योंकि अभी प्रोडक्शन तो फॉर सम टाइम इज नॉट अ गुड आइडिया. आई डोंट नो वेदर इट इज और नॉट, यू विल गाइड अस. क्या मुझे ऑफिस वर्किंग पे थोड़ा अपना ध्यान देना चाहिए, अपनी पर्सनैलिटी को चेंज करना चाहिए, या ऐसा कुछ क्या आपको लगता है एक स्टूडेंट को करना चाहिए?
See, प्रोडक्शन जब आपने इवेंट में ट्रेनिंग लिया ना ऑन ग्राउंड का, तो दे ऑल NIM is very extensively training them in technical side, sound, light, ये सब जो करने को मिलता है. No student want to join a sound vendor. No student want to join a kind of a lighting or a graphic or a LED guy. They all want to join an event company. So event companies production means supervising the setup, supervising the vendors. That's the only role of production. Or planning the production, रेकी करना है, costings निकालनी है. So definitely all this थोड़ा सा अभी because of pandemic larger events will be less, bigger size events जो होते हैं वो थोड़े कम होंगे. Office job is definitely going to be more in demand, especially अभी see social media and event management actually doesn't go in hand in hand, कि एक ही चीज नहीं है. They're two separate things, but a lot of agencies will want to hire people who can help them in digital, kind of marketing or research, or so if they can get into that, personality change के अंदर थोड़ा सा office working वाला atmosphere लाना चाहिए. Work from home will be also in demand. Freelancing from home will be also in demand. So all these things are there,
Okay. So, sir, looking at the generation, as in you have been in the industry for more than 25 years now. There's a generation that has gone ahead. So I really want to know that what is the difference that you see from your working that started from 94, I would say. आज में उसमें क्या फर्क है? और you have sustained, you have made a really good mark in the industry. So वो difference का जो generation का difference होता है, वो उसमें ऐसी कौन सी चीजें हैं जो आज के स्टूडेंट्स या आज के फ्रेशर्स को जाननी चाहिए?
Nothing much. Technology has changed the entire scenario. Everything one can research. Everybody is independent today. पहले हमको लोगों को ढूंढना पड़ता था एडवाइस लेने के लिए, अभी गूगल बाबा सबके लिए है, यू नो. सो रेडी 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 इंफॉर्मेशन है हर चीज के लिए. So it's very, very easy nowadays to connect. At very young age, they are able to do a lot of other things which we were not able to do for at least 5, 7, 8 years. We had to learn a lot of things. आज की तारीख में everybody is prepared. So there are a lot of changes. Of course, the younger generation much more faster, much more, you know. बहुत बहुत फर्क है, काफी फर्क है.
ओके, सो मतलब आपने ये कहा कि फर्क बहुत ज्यादा है आपकी जनरेशन में जब था. अभी भी आपकी जनरेशन यू स्टिल लुक यंग इनफ सिंस यू बिलोंग टू एंटरटेनमेंट. बट मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे ये है सर कि जब सीखने वाली बात आती है, अगर आप 94 से हैं और आपको 26 27 इयर्स हो गए इन द इंडस्ट्री, सो मेंटोरशिप अगर आपको मिल जाती, जैसे आज आप दे रहे हैं इन स्टूडेंट्स को कुछ हद तक, अगर आपको ऐसी कोई मेंटोरशिप मिल जाती उस जमाने में, तो क्या आप जितना समय आपको आज जहां पहुंचने में लगा है उससे कम लगता?
नहीं, डेफिनेटली कम लगता आकाश, कोई उसमें डाउट नहीं है. बिकॉज अभी हम लोग ने तो मतलब एक साल में कोई एक चीज देखने को मिली और सीखने को मिली. यहाँ आपको एक महीने में ही हर चीज देखने को और सीखने को मिल सकती है अगर आप ठीक से डेडिकेटेड रहे तो. देयर इज नो डाउट. यू नो, टेक्नोलॉजी मतलब इट्स वेरी वेरी डिफरेंट नाउ एंड एवरीथिंग इज ग्रोन. इट्स गुड वी हैव ग्रोन. स्पेशली एंटरटेनमेंट में टेक्नोलॉजी का बहुत बड़ा वाइटल रोल है, यू नो. और टेक्नोलॉजी सपोर्ट आने के बाद में इट हैज बिकम वेरी वेरी एक्टिव, वेरी वेरी प्रोन, वेरी प्रोफेशनल नाउ. पहले हम लोग पता नहीं था हमें क्या कैसे होगा क्या नहीं होगा, हम लोग हमारे हिसाब से ही करते थे सब. कोई सीखने वाला, कोई दिखाने वाला नहीं था. हमें ये भी नहीं पता था कि डिपार्टमेंट्स क्या होते हैं. ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम ये डिपार्टमेंट होने चाहिए, इवेंट मैनेजमेंट इंडस्ट्री भी है, ये भी नहीं पता था. So let's talk current scenarios. Let's forget the past now. Let's take students' interest in mind.
Yeah, so I'm coming to the topic, importance of mentorship, or when you said counseling, coaching jobs, so they should always have someone who will mentor them for the changing times, for pandemic and जो भी situation चल रही है, क्या उनके पास हमेशा एक mentor होना चाहिए या उसकी कोई जरूरत नहीं है? Since you are already you are an NIM student, आपको already upper है, आपका हो गया है, ऐसा है या नहीं? उसकी एक अलग importance भी है?
No, mentorship obviously जब students training के लिए जाते हैं events में, तो everywhere they get some senior people around and they learn from them. Some people finally join them as freelancers या कोई भी है. But I definitely feel that there is a necessity of a next step before joining and finalizing your career. That is something called counseling. Now, counseling word को अगर हम हटा देते हैं, because you are already counseled to go into event management. But अगर there is a change now of a thought that the entertainment industry is larger than events. It is not just events. So while doing events, they must have gone to television shoots. They must have worked for let's say a film promotional event where they came in touch with the film production guys, television production guys, and live event. ये काफी जुड़ी हुई चीजें हैं. So a lot of students needs to understand कि finally carried away नहीं होना है. सबसे बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी और ऑप्शन उसके लिए क्या है? उसके लिए मेंटोरशिप, सो कॉल्ड मेंटोरशिप, काउंसलिंग या कोचिंग जिसको हम बोलते हैं. If they take, I'm sure it will help them, which generally is not happening. No, I would love to take some students' feedback कि भाई generally counseling, coaching मिल रही है क्या आपको?
So, what are the other areas for event management students? Let's say when we talk about entertainment industry as a large, event management student का job का spectrum क्या बढ़ जाता है? क्या और भी ऐसे areas हैं जहाँ वो काम कर सकते हैं in the entertainment industry?
Yeah, so see what happens ना, live events को student या कोई भी इंसान जो है अभी इस वक्त, they only consider it as production and client. ये दो ही चीजें लोगों के समझ में आती है. But while doing live events, a student come in touch with vendors, lot of vendors. Let us talk about LED graphics. LED जो पीछे हम लोग live stage के पीछे लगाते हैं. Now, if a student get interested in joining, let us say the LED kind of a vendoring thought, कि एलईडी वाले को ज्वाइन करना है, सेटअप कैसे करना है, वही उसका रोल बनना है. That is still into live events, no? But that student is not trained how to get into the LED technological side, so the LED vendors can absorb them. So that means the student should take again some kind of a crash course, how the LED is installed, or how a sound is put, what is a mixer, what is trussing, technology side mein jana hai. So after doing an NIM course, it is not just live event, doesn't mean only production supervision or client servicing. There are a lot of other affiliated business जहां पे student enter कर सकता है उसकी choice के हिसाब से, in all the vending aspect, चाहे decoration का aspect हो. If somebody is interested in going into, let's say, designing of decoration, then they have to join a decorator, not necessarily a live event company. That is what I mean. There are many other opportunities. और larger entertainment industry को देखेंगे. So live industry is one part of entertainment industry, live events. Then there is a television, production. Then films, obviously, and now it is OTT also, web series. ये 3-4 बड़े larger platforms है जहां event management के students का career बनाने का hope हो सकता है, because they are exposed to that culture, they are prone to that culture. But before entering that, they again need a counseling or whatever, coaching, which path to choose. जितना जल्दी path choose करेंगे, जितना जल्दी आप choose कर लेंगे कि मुझे यही करना है, that will be beneficial, instead of trying to learn everything कि पहले मैं सब सीख लूं फिर decide करूंगा. I would like to learn everything.
What you are trying to say is sharpen your sword first and then go for the battle.
Yeah, obviously, you have to first choose your path. Don't just hang around everywhere.
Yeah. So can an event management student also have a career in films, television, music labels, and advertising agencies? Does an event management student has that kind of scope, or that job also can be offered to these people?
So see, production management is common for everywhere, for every field. But if you really want to enter the technical side of it, let's say you want to book a camera. Now it is a production job. Technically, it is a production job. But which camera to book? If you have that knowledge, you have an upper hand. The vendor cannot then manipulate with you. Your bosses will be happy. So if you decide that you want to join a videographer to assist him in production only, not become a videographer, but you need to take knowledge of that in videography field. That's what I'm saying. So an event management student can do a production job for whether television, whether films. They can get used to it. They can become an assistant or a manager to an artist or a celebrity. There are many scope, काफी scope है. It all depends on where you want to focus after doing the course.
Okay, so summarizing it around, we have learned today that there is opportunity in live event industry. It's a blessing in disguise when it comes to pandemic. There are a lot of jobs around. Not only event management, there is more to it. Event management student have more possibilities of making a career in entertainment. But again, sir, the next question would be how? Is there any agency or a consultancy that provides jobs? NIM definitely does a great job here, but then is there a particular agency in the industry that gives jobs to these students?
No, so I have been looking out for the same for last 20-25 years. I have not found any particular tailor-made agency for entertainment industry only. There are many job sites where people can, students register, intern shala and things like that. But there is no, as far as my knowledge is concerned, people can correct me, that there is a specific any placement kind of a service which is available. And that is where we have started, Dynamo Careers, because I thought that maybe, we can be a platform for both, for employers who needs people and for the students or for employees, even existing staff. If somebody is working somewhere, they want to shift, but they don't know how to go about, They can just register themselves on a Naukri.com or a Times Job or a Monster, and then wait, and then probably get shortlisted. Of course, that procedure is working. But अगर एक एक proper services मिल जाए तो it will be definitely more beneficial. I think that is what I
So
am trying
what you
to yeah,
so
sorry,
what you
I'm
are
trying
trying to
to
say is एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री में अभी तक ऐसी कोई कंसल्टेंसी या जॉब प्लेसमेंट एजेंसी नहीं थी, and you have come up with a new agency and you are a pioneer, let's say, when it comes to placing placement management into entertainment or live events industry.
yeah,
Is that true?
you can say that. I have not done research whether there is somebody, but at least I have not found, because I take candidates every time, you know. We ask NIM to send people, or we look out for people, then we generally get it from maybe a job site, but there is no specific agency who understands the industry, you know, who has been a part of the industry, and then they exactly know कि टेलीविजन प्रोडक्शन वाले को क्या चाहिए, कैमरामैन चाहिए, एडिटर चाहिए, असिस्टेंट एडिटर चाहिए, फिल्म वाले को क्या चाहिए, मार्केटिंग पर्सन चाहिए, किसी को ब्रांडिंग वाला कोई चाहिए, एग्जैक्ट समझने वाली कोई भी ऐसी जॉब साइट मुझे तो नहीं मिली अभी तक, जो एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री को समझ के शॉर्टलिस्ट करके कैंडिडेट्स को फिल्टर करके प्रोस्पेक्टिव एम्प्लॉयर के पास प्रेजेंट कर सके, मे बी थोड़ी सी गाइडेंस भी दे सके स्टूडेंट्स को या कैंडिडेट्स को हु आर अप्लाइंग फॉर जॉब्स, how they should handle the, because a lot of times they don't even lot of employers don't even put the exact position ki bhai karwana kya hai. Now marketing sales sound similar but they are different, so that is how it is. Client service,
so you are trying to say is there is no specialized agency, there is naukri.com, there is internshala, there are plenty of let's say job portals, but there is no specialized agency who's working for live events and entertainment and job placements, and this is what you have come up with, which is called Dynamo Careers.
Correct? And I think it is correct, because if that is what I think, when I approached NIM's mentor, you can say boss, Hoshi sir, that we are trying to come out with this, he gave a very good kind of encouragement to the entire venture, ki it was required that there is somebody who specialized into this, who can try and place people, who can bridge the gap between the industry. So mostly, that is why this session has happened today for the students.
So all the NIM students will have a special place when it comes to Dynamo Careers, or it will be any event management institute? Is there a different place for NIM students, or how it is? Will they be given a priority?
See, क्या है ना, जैसे I have become a pioneer, NIM is pioneer for institute as an event institute, the first event institute of, now it's the Asia's biggest, and so I'm trying to connect with and do a kind of an association. So obviously NIM student becomes Dynamo's priority to look out for the correct career for them. That is how we are trying to do that. So hopefully it should materialize, and of course NIM will be the preferred one then.
Okay, so all these students who are listening to us, आप सभी को बता दूं, Dynamo Careers is the name of the agency that provides job, and now we are trying to, like, NIM has taken this initiative that they will provide jobs with us to you all. And if you want to check out more about Dynamo Careers, you can visit on www.dynamocareers.in. I repeat, it is www.dynamocareers.in. Sir, moving on, I would like some of the students here to ask direct questions to you. If you have any questions, raise your hands, and I would request Shahan to unmute them for the question. Is there anyone who really wants to ask a few questions? Please come on. हम लोग कोई boring lecture नहीं दे रहे हैं यहाँ पे. It's about entertainment industry. Let's be interactive enough.
Yeah. So one more point. I think these students are mainly from Mumbai batch, but they come from different parts of India, everybody. So there are a lot of opportunities for Mumbai students also to get regional placements, maybe in their own cities, especially during pandemic time, मुंबई में रह के काम करना है या अपने शहर में काम करना है, even that is a good possibility. So if anybody has certain questions, they can please ask small things, big things, don't hesitate. It will be nice to have an interaction, so we'll come out with more solutions. I would like to hear on certain points, from you. So it will be nice.
Sir, what you're trying to say is कि अगर कोई student मुंबई में event management का course कर रहा है, लेकिन अगर वो कहीं और से है, फ्रॉम अनदर टाउन, अनदर सिटी, तो वो अपने रीजनल एरिया में भी इवेंट मैनेजमेंट में जॉब पा सकता है आपके थ्रू? आर यू सेइंग दिस?
Yeah, of course, we will be specialized. In fact, regional placements. That is much more. I have experienced that students go through a lot of hardship. You know, if they are in Mumbai. So what is the difference? Of course, Mumbai is the dream city. Mumbai में पढ़ने इसलिए आए हैं क्योंकि मुंबई में जॉब चाहिए. You know, that's for sure. But I still feel that there are a lot of growth which has happened in the cities also. You will have an upper hand if you go back to your city and want to join. The employers there will pick you faster. You know, then there may be a region. There is an NIM center in every city almost now. You know, but still, I think the Mumbai batch will always have upper edge. That is what I feel.
Okay, so being from NIM Mumbai will always give you an upper edge whether you belong to any other city, because Mumbai is the hub of entertainment and live events.
Yeah, the
I would request all the students to come up with some questions. Let this session be interactive enough. If you don't like to speak, you can also put us a message here. And there was a message a while back here asking. I'll read it for you. What are the charges of getting registered with Dynamo Careers? Is what the question is, sir.
No, so there is no charge for registration as such. You know, there is no charge. There is no charge of registration. You can just, if you want to take a counseling and all, then we can take you further. Registration का reason क्या है वो, that we need to understand. You know, for what? Just to get a job.
Okay. So ये जो registration के charges नहीं है.
Yeah, so just put your resume for getting a job. There's nothing wrong.
Okay. So ये जो free registration है, ये सिर्फ NIM के लिए है या ये सब के लिए ही ऐसा है? Because they are from NIM.
No, as of now, it is NIM. Definitely, we will be giving priority to NIM.
Okay. So since
you, free for all, but NIM students will always be given preference for their job profiles.
Okay. So do you provide placement in overseas as well? Is what Ajay Mange is asking, sir.
Yeah. So overseas, when you say, you need to be specific. You know, okay, overseas, you're looking at an Indian ownership company, or you're looking at a kind of foreign event company of that country. So as of now, we have ventured in largely into that, but we can look at that requirement if it comes up.
Okay, so even that is a possibility, and there you can also help.
Why not? Depending on the qualification, depending on what this person who's asking for a job is really, required by these kind of countries, wherever he or she is asking, looking out for. That all depends on that.
So the next question is, what will be the work from home options available from now on?
No, see, if you आप अगर एकदम fresher हैं और work from home करना चाहते हैं, still you put your registration on our Dynamo Career site. We will try and get you. Mostly it is going to be research. Mostly. So when I say research, means it.
So Ajay again. So Ajay again is asking, can he register today itself? Is that a possible thing to do?
Yeah, obviously one can register. The form is available there. One can register. कोई issue नहीं है. कभी भी register कर सकते हैं.
And whom should we approach for counseling? Is the next question, sir.
No, so once you register, then you'll get the proper guidance from there. Counseling क्या होगा, क्या नहीं होगा, because there will be some questions which will come to you, and then it will be properly guided to you कि भाई क्या करना है. So first thing is just register your name properly, and then we'll take it ahead from there. Put your queries on there.
Okay. So next question is coming from Karam, and he's asking, I'm in Chandigarh and have words with every single event company, and they told there is no chance of recruiting any single mate till next 4 to 5 months or the next season.
So it is not easy, as I said, but you register, we'll try and find you. You give your choice of city, we'll try. That is all I can say.
Okay. Also, the next question is from Ayaz Sheikh, sir. He's asking, as I am mass media graduate and NIM student, is celebrity management a good choice?
Yeah, see, celebrity management, of course, is a good choice. It is a very growing kind of a area, you can say, and it is not part of event management. Let's understand difference between, celebrity management, stroke artist management, and event management. They're two different things. When you manage a celebrity in an event, that is not equal to celebrity management career. That is what you need to understand. Managing a celebrity or a performer for an event is like backstage working or giving support to an artist for the requirement, required for that event particular. But if you want to make a career in celebrity management, then there is a proper process again, for which again you need to, register and take guidance, what you want to do exactly, where you want to do. And of course, it's good. Why not? As I said, key event management opens up a lot of other avenues for every. So, वाइडन हॉराइजन आपका थोड़ा बड़ा करिए, क्या करना है इसके लिए यू मस्ट ट्राई एंड टेक अ काइंड ऑफ रजिस्ट्रेशन इन कोर्स और समथिंग लाइक दैट और गाइडेंस एंड देन यू शुड गो अहेड. बहुत सी जगह है, अभी फाइनेंस और अकाउंट्स में फर्क है, ये लोगों को पता नहीं ना पूरा ठीक से आपको अभी. So NIM has given you a good base. They have taught you what is event management all about. आप मेरी बात को इस वक्त समझ पा रहे हैं because of NIM course, So
right. So obviously being at NIM gives you an upper hand in understanding what we are speaking today is one thing, and all the students who are asking for forms and links where they can register, you can always go on to www.dynamocareers.in and you can register yourself there. And obviously when we proceed further and we get to know that you are an NIM student, you will always be prioritized and you will be put into a different database altogether. Next question, sir, is how to identify prospect client and get clients in case of starting a new venture. So basically this question is for it's an entrepreneurial question. If someone wants to be an entrepreneur, so is there something that you can guide on?
See, again, first you need to decide what kind of client you want. Entrepreneurship mein, if you think you want to organize a birthday party, then it becomes a social client. If you think you want to organize something, a ticketed event, then it becomes a concert kind of a event man. So event also has a lot of variety of events. What kind of client you want, there is a process how to get a client. Of course, one can learn that process and enter, and that is called business development. So it is not client servicing. Client ढूंढना is not client servicing.
Okay.
Business development.
Okay.
So how to do business development? What research one has to do? How to narrow down your working is again a question of coaching, counseling, and things like that. That is very important.
Next question is from Nilma Mehta, sir. She's asking, will there be job openings for PR and celebrity management in the upcoming months, as in right now? Because of the pandemic, probably that's the question. Yeah. So will there be job openings?
Yeah. So the point is, see, PR and celebrity management. Now, they're two different things. PR means what? Publicity. Okay. Now, if you want to enter publicity in this situation, then you need to do social media marketing. That's called digital marketing. And celebrity management still in this situation, of course, one can apply, one can look out for agencies, stroke celebrities first. How do you research? How do you narrow down? How do you narrow down your, thoughts? कि ये कैसे करना है, उसकी जो knowledge होनी चाहिए कि भाई हमको आगे कैसे बढ़ना है. It's like road पे चल रहे हैं, but there's a difference between path and a road. Path is a narrow kind of a walk. छोटी सी जगह होती है जिसपे आपको चलना है. वो आइडेंटिफाई कर लेंगे आप, देन उसमें रिसर्च, R&D for all students. Let me tell you, R&D, research and development, is a very, very important procedure to learn how to do R&D. That is very, very important. Everything depends on R&D. If I am running my business, if I would have not done my research, which client I should approach, then I will not be able to, create my agency. So I will not get a client. So research and development is a very, very important office backup job. If somebody does that, they will learn everything.
Good knowledge, sir. The next question is by Urvashi asking: is this just for the freshers or even experienced can also apply?
Everybody can apply. Everybody can apply. As I told earlier, that there will be a lot of people who are already working, but they're looking for another job. Maybe they've lost a job due to pandemic, or maybe for some other reasons. So Dynamo Careers is available for all kind of candidates. You can say all kind of candidates.
Okay, for other students who are asking, it's not dynamocareers.com, it is .in, dynamocareers.in. And some people are messaging the website is not working. So
why don't you
after an hour or so,
why don't you type the www. chat के अंदर type कर दो तो everybody can refer that. Okay.
Yes. So already I'll just put it on www.dynamocareers.in. And in case you're facing any problems, you can always contact NIM for this. This is all curated by NIM Mumbai. So obviously, we are an associate to them now. You can always contact them for any further guidance. The next question is by Naman Katare, sir. He's asking, is there any qualification required to enter into live events technicals, such as light, designing, pyros, rigging, trussing, etc.? Or anyone with certain experience in live events can join? Your question is a little... yeah.
नहीं हो जाएगा आकाश.
Yeah,
no
go
problem.
ahead, sir.
I'll explain you. See, जैसे मैंने कहा कि if you want to join a agency or a service provider who is providing services of light sound, and if you want to join, then you can join that agency as a production assistant to assist them into setting up. But if you want to learn technical things, then you have to join a technical class. People who teach you how to manage sound. There are these sound designing companies, there are these trussing companies, lights and graphics LED guys who teach you how to operate, how to connect, the technical part. Otherwise, if you have an event ka background and if you want to join a setup kind of a agency or a supplier, then you will have an upper edge. You can apply there. They will definitely absorb you for production element. There is no additional qualification required, not required.
Okay.
But if you
what
have,
is the
you
scope
really
of
want
job openings in wedding? I'm sorry to interrupt you, sir. The next question is by Vaishali Dubey, asking the scope of job openings in wedding companies in the current scenario. Only the current scenario is the question. Anil sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Weddings.
Yeah. Okay.
Weddings are on hold. Everybody knows that, right? Certain cities, 50 people are allowed. Currently, it's going on. Weddings again are dependent on muhurats. As per the calendars now, there are no muhurats till November, December. So, and in November, December, you're going to get a lot of work. Currently, you should apply to the agencies. Keep it pending. You will definitely get a call. As I told you, you will definitely get a call. There's no issue about wedding. Maybe opening है, सब जगह opening है. But please remember, मुंबई में जो इवेंट्स होते हैं, that is मुंबई city centric employees को preference किया जाएगा. The same manner, currently, people who used to hire from Mumbai, from other cities, they will not do that right now. So regional level पे job opportunities will be higher, as I told you earlier. Requirements will be higher. So destination weddings will not happen, in that quantity. Region में regional पे ही होके खत्म हो जाएगा. So वहाँ पे requirement बढ़ेगी.
So, sir, the next question is: can we know more about Dynamo Careers? आप क्या इसको elaborate कर सकते हैं? क्या आप बता सकते हैं? What is Dynamo Careers all about?
So see, Dynamo is my agency, which I started as an individual, in 1994, and we've done all kind of events, corporate, social. Then we are majorly into artist and talent management as of now, and now Dynamo Careers for creating and bridging the gap of placements, requirement, and candidates. So Dynamo Career is formed basically to provide a platform to know each other. So we can forward your resumes to the right people. As soon as we get the resumes and your demand of jobs, we will create a platform where all the event managers will know that there is a candidate available, for this profile. जो currently आप अलग-अलग जगह पे ट्राई करते हैं. It's not that nothing is available. But ये थोड़ा टेलर मेड होगा. हमारी रीच बहुत ज्यादा है. We are connected to almost all good event managers of India in every city. कोई रायपुर होने दीजिए, आप जयपुर होने दीजिए, जबलपुर होने दीजिए, ग्वालियर होने दीजिए, गुजरात होने दीजिए, any city you name it, and we are connected with all the event managers. So your resumes will reach faster. That is what I can say.
Right. So for other students who are asking like how can they resume the form, how can they attach a resume, I would say it again. It is the website's name is dynamocareer.in. If you want to send a resume, there's an email address mentioned. You can always send your resume there. And you can also, if you don't have a resume ready, you can always fill up the form that is already present on the website. Okay, so the next question is, what is the scope of movie production for an event management student?
Movie production. I think what you mean is that can an event management student or can anybody who has learned event management get into movie production? Get into movie production, yes. Again means get a job in a production house. People who make movies, जो फिल्में बनाते हैं. If that is the question, yes, again, we can look out for it. We have connectivity, and also you can also join, as I told you, as an assistant first in production. Unless you decide that which part of the movie making you want to enter. Suppose you want to get into scripting or maybe costumes or maybe technical side, sound designing, then you must go for another course or another kind of some kind of a crash course once you decide that. But to decide that where you need to enter, which area you want to go is very, very critical. Otherwise, आप थोड़ा आगे पीछे हो जाएंगे. बोलते हैं ना ठोकर खा के सीखना है. That is the way I put it. कि आपके 2-4 महीने चले जाएंगे, आपको पता चला नहीं मुझे ये नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है, मुझे ये अच्छा लग रहा है. And in India, generally we don't give lot of importance to aptitude test.
Yeah.
You should not shrug it off. आप उसको easily मत लीजिए कि aptitude test का कोई मतलब नहीं होता है. नहीं, बहुत मतलब होता है. उसमें आपके family background, उसमें आपका culture, उसमें आपकी जो personal nature क्या है आपका, वो सभी कुछ उसमें cover हो जाता है. And that is very useful to give you inputs. What is suitable for you. Instead of, see, hobbies और career में फर्क होता है ना. Football देखना पसंद है. That is your hobby. That doesn't mean you want to become a football player. Right. So hobby और career में फर्क है. ये एक distinguish करना बहुत जरूरी है. Very, very important.
So coming to the questions again, Arjun, we have already answered your question that whether you should get registered now or not, whether after the pandemic, the companies like Concert, like who does Concert, should you wait or shouldn't wait? No, you shouldn't wait. You should register right away with us because there are opportunities that are opening. That is for Arjun. Next question is by Urvashi Bhanushali. The question is, sir, jobs in production houses like T-Series, Dharma, Yashraj Films production manager. Do you also work with such people or such? Do you have such associates? Is what she's asking.
Yeah. We have the network. We can look out for jobs in these places also. But again, as I told you, the resume should be suitable. See, the idea of opening Dynamo Career is that we are going to filter it ourselves because of our experience. We cannot shoot your resume directly to anybody till we know about you. Because they are also expecting us to send somebody. Whether they need or they don't need, they might put you on standby, they might take you as intern. But why should they take you? We will attach a kind of a recommendation note. Why are we recommending this student, in your fold? So we can access that. The answer is yes, we can get entry there also. Of course, all career portals can only send resumes, employment availability. That was your first question, whether employment opportunities are there or not. So it all depends. Maybe it is not in Dharma, but there could be a Anurag Kashyap production which is wanting. So starting में आपको शायद डायरेक्ट वो नाम ना मिले जहां आपको जाना है, यू नो, बट देन गो स्टेप बाय स्टेप. आप कोई भी छोटे मूवी प्रोडक्शन हाउस में जाइए पहले. यू हैव टू डिसाइड फर्स्ट कि व्हाट यू वांट टू.
So that was a very beautiful session with you, sir. It has been a good, let's say, a lookout towards the events and live events and entertainment industry. To each and everyone who's listening out there, I will mention the website name once again: www.dynamocareers.in. You can send in your resumes on the email address mentioned there, and you will automatically get registered. Do mention the institute name, that is NIEM, in your resume, or even if you're filling a form, just put up a caption of NIEM so that we know you come from NIEM, and then we can prioritize your resume. So, Anil sir,
Is Mr. Shahan there?
before do you have any message for all the students?
Yeah, is Mr. Shahan there? I thought Mr. Shahan can ask any question if the students are not asking. Frequently asked question, you know, if he knows something about it.
Yeah. So, Shahan, would you like to?
And
there's one interesting
the point
question,
is only
sir.
this.
I'm sorry to interrupt.
Hello.
There's an interesting question from Naman Katre. What's the minimum and maximum package one gets working with event companies?
Also, there's a question. I'm going to start an event management company now. It's a good time, and what is the basic thing I want to know? Okay. बेसिक और मैक्सिमम का कोई बेंचमार्क, कोई बैरोमीटर नहीं है. इफ यू आर अ real fresher, just finished NIEM and you want to join as an intern, then internship होती है एक. Okay. Then उसके बाद you get into temporary kind of a thought. It could be internship, could be with conveyance, without conveyance, anything basic. Work from home भी चल रहा है अभी, तो उसका भी कोई benchmark नहीं है. So it all depends. What is your qualification? Which city you come from? The offer could be anything. It could be 10,000 rupees. It could be 20,000 rupees. It could be anything, depending on the individual profile. And the person who asked whether I can start the event company, of course, event company, everybody starts. It doesn't need anything. Just a visiting card without an address also will do. You know, just make your website, just make your profile, what services you give, and then do your research on how to get clients, and you can start.
So this guidance, sir, so your guidance or your counseling is also for entrepreneurs, or just for the people who are seeking jobs? Do you also give counseling?
See, I am here to, you know, share my experience. See, the point is that, you know. So because of the experience, in 5 minutes I will come to know आप क्या करना चाहते हो, किसके लिए suitable. Generally, I have been a very, you know, unique in identifying people for their careers. I hope you remember 10 years back when you had come to me. You can share your profile. So by the way, Akash is a very successful entrepreneur right now based in Pune. He has an event company called Reaping Perfections. He came to me as a EMDI student, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, EMDI student.
So don't worry, everything is going to be fine. और जितना फ्रीलांसिंग अभी मिल रहा है करते जाइए. 1 दिन का मिल रहा है, 2 दिन का मिल रहा है, कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी छोड़ना मत. एवरी अपॉर्चुनिटी विल बी यूजफुल. एंड ऑफ कोर्स वो करते करते आप अपना जो मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव है, क्या करना चाहते हो, वो डिसीजन ले लो और उसी की तरफ रिसर्च करो, एंड यू विल गेट इनटू इट. देयर इज अपॉर्चुनिटी, एंड ऑफ कोर्स बट इट टेक्स टाइम ना.
ओके,
चलो.
So it was a beautiful session, sir. Thank you so much for joining in, and thank you each and everyone, each and event management student and the future of live events and entertainment. I thank all of you for joining in. It was a beautiful session with all of you. And in case you want jobs, you want any counseling, you want coaching, and you are an IEM student, you can always register on www.dynamocareers.in. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye, everybody. All the best. Take care.